In this video, I will show you an Excel trick that will print the total number of Sundays between two given dates. Here it is 1st January and 30th December. So I'll be using nested functions to do that. So first of all, you should understand that the dates in Excel are just numbers. So if I use number value function and say convert number date to a number, so the number equivalent to 1st January is 44927. So if I copy this to, so 30th December is represented by 45290. Then first I will use a sequence function. So to show you an example what sequence is, so equal to sequence. So first parameter is number of rows. I say I want 10 rows and 1 column and start with the 101 value. Let's see, it will print from 101 10 times, incrementing each time by 1. So we started with 101, 102, 103, 104, like that up to 10th row. So number of rows we have to specify, number of columns is 1, and start value we have specified as 101. So just understand this concept. So to arrive at number of Sundays, first I will use a sequence function. So sequence. So first I have to specify number of rows. Number of rows is nothing but then all the dates between 1st January and 30th December. So to count number of dates between 1st January and 30th December, I will specify end date minus start date plus 1. So those are the number of rows. Number of columns I need only 1, and start with start date. Start date means 44927, the number equal. So I will say start date. Let's see what it prints. See, it printed the first date here in the number format, this is 44927, and all the way down to 45290. So which is the end date. We'll come back. So it printed all the dates between 1st January and 30th December in this array formula. So using this formula. So now I will add one more function on top of it, like weekday. Weekday means it prints 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, like that, for 7 for Saturday. So weekday on top, I will enclose the sequence on weekday function. So that means weekday of 1st January 2023 say is 1, weekday of 2nd January is 2. That means this is a Sunday, this is Monday, like this. Now I will add an if condition in this, that if weekday is equal to 1, that means Sunday, then print 1, otherwise print 0. So let's say, so if it is a Sunday, it prints 1, otherwise it prints 0. Again Sunday comes and it prints 1, like that. Now I will sum this. It will give the count of Sundays. So there are 52 Sundays between 1st January and 30th December. So I will show you the formula once again, like this. Sum if weekday sequence 1, like this. So if I change this to 30th June, so 30th June, there are 26 Sundays, like this. And if you want number of Mondays, you have to change this formula equal to 2. We have to count equal to 2 instead of 1. So it will give number of Mondays. So I'll show you the formula once again.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.